Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today is one of those videos that is just fun. The product is fun to try out. It's a $1 eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this huge palette right here with 12 shades is only $1 that I found on ShopMissA. It's from the brand JK Just Color and it's the Smoky Eyeshadow collection. I love trying out $1, or I guess nowadays the Dollar Tree is $1.25, so I just love trying out very inexpensive makeup finds. And the ShopMissA website is a place where I have found some incredible makeup finds, and I have had some great luck with some of these very inexpensive eyeshadow palettes, so I'm very excited to play around with this one today. The colors in here look very nice. It's got the applicator here, and it looks like it's primarily shimmers, maybe just 3 matte colors in here and then 9 shimmery shades, but a nice range of colors. So first things first, I'm going to do some swatches. Looks like we might have a highlight shade. Wow, that is actually looking pretty reflective and a nice highlight. Ooh, that matte has a very nice soft feel. It doesn't feel chalky like I would kind of expect. It actually feels very nice. And then the metallics, oh my gosh, it's looking very pigmented. These are pretty impressive swatches so far. Oh, I love a pink shimmer, this one here. Ooh. Yeah, these are swatching very nice. I will say that the shimmers have that kind of like sticky feel to them. They're not super buttery, but I mean, they seem nicely pigmented, nice vibrant colors. I'm very excited to see how these are going to look on my eye because these swatches are actually very impressive. And so I'm going to be testing these out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion all over one of my eyelids. All right, just blending this from brow bone to lashes. And I'm excited that this has a nice highlight shade, so we can start there. It looks peachy in the pan here, but it actually swatched almost white, which looks like such a nice highlight. So picking that up with my finger, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the brow bone. Yes, this is a beautiful brow highlight shade. Very reflective and very bright, so I love how this looks in the inner corner as well. What a perfect highlight shade, a great way to start off the look. It is not the softest to blend out, but it works perfectly fine. Yeah, wow, I love how bright that is. That's exactly what I look for in my eye highlights. And next, I think I'm going to pick up the matte brown shade here, and I'll pick up a crease brush. Okay. Yeah, not much kickback at all. And I'm going to blend this shade into the crease here, and oh my gosh, look at how pigmented that is. This is full opaque pigment, and that's applied with this fluffy blending brush. And I did not even go into this trying to make it full opaque color. Like that's more intense than what I was intending for this crease transition area. So, wow. I mean, not a bad thing. And it's actually blending out very easily as I'm trying to diffuse it up and smoke it out into the crease here to create that dimension. But yeah, wow, that definitely gives a smoky eye effect. I am not even picking up that much either onto the brush. You know, I think it went on a little bit more pigmented on the eye with the primer. This eye is more of the crease transition, smoked out, more diffuse color effect that I was going for. But look at that difference with the primer versus without it. Let's see if I can pick up some more and build up just to match the other eye a little bit more. Yeah, it is buildable. Wow, I am very impressed. The shimmer shades are pigmented and vibrant, and the matte shades are also so pigmented and vibrant. More so than some expensive eyeshadow palettes that I've tried out, and this is a $1 version. I'm kind of blown away by that. Since my eye look is already looking so dark, let's try and lighten it up a little bit with some shimmery shades. So I'm going to pick up this kind of golden tan shimmery shade here, and let's see how this looks applied into the outer half of the eyelid. And that looks awesome. Very pigmented with that beautiful reflective sheen. A really pretty color. Wow. Very easy to apply. My goodness, that is beautiful. This would look so nice all over the lid. Complete this look, but I want to use a few more colors from this palette. Just gonna blend that a little bit into the crease. I'm not so sure how well this color is going to go with the eye look that I have going on here, but I'm loving this kind of periwinkle, purpley blue shade. I just have to use it. I'm going to place this. Oh my gosh, that is such an intense, bright, pigmented shade. Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel like in other eyeshadow palettes, a shade like this would be a little bit more muted. It would not show up as intensely vibrant as this color is here. That is amazing. I am very surprised by how incredible these shades are. And they're very easy to work with. So I love these inexpensive, kind of colorful eyeshadow palettes as like a practice makeup for someone that's just getting into makeup, maybe someone who's younger, because these are pigmented, easy to use, they perform great. And I mean, it's great for someone who is experienced with makeup, but also great for someone that's just getting into it, because you're still going to be able to achieve the looks that you want. Wow. Yeah, maybe not the most cohesive color story that I chose, but no denying how impressive these colors are, these eyeshadows are. And so now this is the eye with the primer. This is the eye without the primer. And those shimmery shades went on the same amount of pigment, just as vibrant. No creasing. No creasing. Wow. And then I'm just going to finish off the lower lash line. I like to use these little applicators that come in the palette to smoke along the lower lash line, and I think I'm going to pick up, this one looks really pretty. It might come off as like a charcoal gray, but it almost looks a little bit like it has some blue green to it as well. So let's see how this is. Blend it along the lower lash line, and wow, it looks so nice. It is pigmented, but still has that metallic shine. It really completes the eye look beautifully. Even if I was not thinking about price point, this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I've tried out recently. I love the colors. I love how they apply. I love how they look. They're so vibrant. So this truly is such a treasure find in the $1 or super inexpensive makeup category. I highly recommend this. And so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.